being ready, basically being ready. And also, of course, there's different games. Like the music game is good because being in a rhythm is also forgetting yourself. You're just part of the music. So playing a rhythm is also a game because there you also will have to be there for your partner. Because when you are performing, you need to be so present, maybe even more than you are in your daily life, like really aware of everything and using everything, especially when you improvise, and the clown is improvising a lot, using what is here right now, and that means to be ready and coming back to the instinct state of mind when you in the body where you're ready to run or hide, or it's really good to just pure game, like playing cat and mouse, hunting games together, and it's also fun. Actually, there's something basic, survival, life and death in it that makes us not thinking a lot. Also, be social, to trust each other. How close can I be to another person, physical? That because we have to train this part, a chemical thing inside us, that how can we use our bodies together? If I lean and you lean, how can our balance be together? And this is something that you have to sense with your skin, and by doing, you will know a lot about each other in this way.
Yeah, and this is a way that we check in with each other. Like Sing also say that we get to know each other through playing, and on this high energy that comes when we laugh and play together, we build on. Are ready to start the improvisation and being in the moment.